time to detonate this bomb. Release the deadly spiders into... Did I pick a bad time?
Why did the president have a bomb squad?
There's centipedes in there too.
Okay, well, which one do I cut?
Follow your heart.
You stay out of this! Should I like be in jail or something?
Hey, I'm on your side
You
here.
are literally not
Come on, just pick your favorite color.
like the red one? Wasn't black your favorite color, Dad?